Fall off the bone Korean ribs, 5 spiced sweet potato wedges, Asian slaw and dressing, all in under an hour. Let's flex. To make the ribs, take 700 to 750 grams of pork ribs. Place in the pressure cooker along with 200 milliliters of water and 4 to 6 tablespoons of Korean sauce. Mix thoroughly, then pop on the lid. Select the meat program and increase the time setting to 20 minutes. The countdown timer will start once the pressure has built up inside the cooker. Meanwhile, let's prep the wedges. For the 5-spice mix, firstly you'll need a 3-inch cinnamon stick snapped, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of cloves, 2 teaspoons of Szechuan peppercorns, and 5 or 6 whole star anise. In a dry wok, gently toast off the spices. This will bring the oils to the surface, providing a bolder aroma and flavor. Allow to cool, then add a teaspoon of caster sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Finely grind, and then transfer your spice mix to a sterilized jar for up to 6 months. Leaving the skin on, wash and chop the sweet potato into wedges. Add to the air fryer, drizzle with oil and toss. With 5 minutes left on the timer, it is time to put in the wedges. Cook at 210 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, shaking in between. When the pressure cooker stops, you have about 10 minutes before it will open. So let's crack on with the dressing and slaw. For a super easy Asian dressing, it is equal quantities of Thai sweet chili sauce, fish sauce, and freshly squeezed lime, then half the quantity of caster sugar. Mix until the sugar is dissolved, then into the fridge to chill. It's great with salads and slaw. To make the slaw, thinly slice a quarter of a red onion, half a red cabbage, and a bunch of fresh coriander. Mix together with a handful of bean sprouts and a scatter of grated carrot. Once the pressure is released, carefully open the lid and move the ribs to the air fryer drawer. Place in the air fryer and cook on the roast setting at 200 degrees for a further 10 to 15 minutes. Now change the pressure king to the stew function. Rapidly reduce the cooking liquid to a sticky sauce. Then add the ribs back in and stir, ensuring they are fully coated. Now it's time to eat. Remove the cooked wedges and season with 5-spice. Ready to serve, drizzle over some Asian dressing and give it a quick toss. Garnish with spring onions, chilies, coriander, and sesame seeds. Lip-smackingly good.